you ready to draw this super cute Cinnamoroll inside a cup with me? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, I want to say a huge thank you. Your support really helps my channel keep going. Now let's start. Step 1. I'll start by drawing its cute little paws resting on the rim of the cup. Whenever you feel behind, just pause the video and catch up. Step 2. We'll draw a cute little bow right between its two paws. Step 3. Let's draw the fluffy and chubby cheeks symmetrically on both sides, leaving a little space on each side. We'll draw the smooth curve for the top of the head. Looking great! If you love these cute in a cup drawings, give this video a thumbs up so I can make more. Step 4. For the right side of the head, I'll draw a nice big, floppy ear. And now, another big ear on the left side. Step 5. Now, right in the middle of the face, let's draw a curve for the mouth. And add two shiny, sparkling curves for the eyes. So simple. To make it look extra pretty, don't color the whole eye black. Were you able to follow along up to this point? Leave a small highlight spot uncolored. Step 6. Let's outline the inner oval of the cup. And add a bit of depth with this line. Looking amazing! Now, let's draw the outer wall of the cup. And give it a solid base at the bottom to make it steady. Step 7. Let's draw a simple handle on the right side of the cup. And finally, let's draw a cute saucer underneath the cup. And we are all done. Was this drawing hard or easy? What would you like our next tutorial to be? If you love this drawing, don't forget to like the video. Bye bye!
See you in the next videos! I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye!